और चलिए फिलहाल आपको सीधा लिए चलेंगे जयपुर के जेईसीसी सभागार में, जहां पर महामंथन जारी है। विधिक सेवा का सीजेआई से संबोधित अभी कर रहे हैं, अभी सुनिए।
No modern democracy can be disassociated with the observance of rule of law. The question is, can rule of law persist without the idea of equality? The idea of modern India was built around the promise of providing justice, social, economic and political. This is a strand which flows throughout our Constitution and crystallized in Part 3 of the Constitution. Undeniably, the colonial justice system inherited by the independent India was outstepped with the social reality. If law and legal process continue to be a tool at the dispense of the privileged few, then the majority of the people would have sought justice in the streets. In a country like India, legal aid forms a core aspect of the administration of justice. Administration of justice is not an act which is accomplished by only within the courtrooms. It involves promoting and creating awareness about rights and facilitating social justice. It means creating a platform where parties can claim competing rights. Only when equal access and participation is ensured in the justice delivery system, the faith and trust of all shall be won. Therefore, access to justice came to be recognized as a fundamental right, as it is the key to defending other rights. In other words, unless people can access justice, they would be deprived of remedies in case of violation of their rights. A single violation of right or a single case can spiral into graver consequences quickly. An unlawful eviction may not only lead to loss of shelter, it may also lead to loss of livelihood, which may result in lack of access to food or health care. Without state intervention, in such circumstances, through legal aid, violators will never be held accountable and injustice shall prevail. Considering the significance of the state's role in administering justice, the Legal Services Authority Act was enacted in 1987, nearly 40 years after independence. The act was considered revolutionary, as it was much ahead of its time. After the initial hiccups, we have now achieved great success. Now, our services have reached every nook and corner of the country. Today, almost 80% of the population are eligible to claim the benefits of the National Legal Service Act. In fact, I will not be surprised nalsa becomes the largest service provider in our country. When I discuss the journey undertaken by nalsa in the past 27 years, in my interaction with foreign dignitaries, it generates great admiration. Even the world's most advanced democracies do not carry out legal aid at such a massive scale. This has been possible only due to the cooperation of all the stakeholders, the Government of India, state governments, judges from the constitutional courts to the district and taluk courts, panel lawyers, paralegal volunteers, and the staff of the Legal Service Authority.